Well, hello, my students. No, it's not an earthquake. I'm trying to make this so it fits a little bit better. Well, maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. I don't know, but we'll go to it. Hey, how's it going? Oh my goodness, is life good? I don't know. Just 2 days of school. Well, that's kind of sad. Why did I say that? I don't know. But first, we have some factoring we need to review here. Here, that looks a little better. So first is factoring out the GCF. Now that's actually the first step of factoring. But for now, when we're just doing the little parts, and before we put it all together, just worry about it when it says factor out GCF. But eventually, whenever you see the word factor, that's the first thing you're going to do. So I'm going to do a problem, then turn me off. But let's see, what goes into 50, 45, and 35? How about 5? And then, is x in every term? Yes, it is. No other variable? Okay. So the smallest power is x to the 35. So we would have 10 x to the 15th plus 9 x to the 10th plus 7. That's it. You better not have an x at the end, or that means you can factor out more x's. So do these 3, and I'll move this over here. You can write out 10x to the 10th at the end. So go to town. Okay, so 8 is common to both, so it's 8x minus 2. X to the 5th is common to both, so it'd be 6 x plus 7. And this one, oh my goodness, why did I make it so big? Well, I can't even see it. There we go. So x to the 10th is in every term. And let's see, 10 is in every term. 10 goes in everything. So it'd be 10x to the 10th. I put a little there. So that would be 4x to the 30th plus 2x to the 10th plus 1. Don't forget, if there's 3 here, there better be 3 there. So difference is squares. Okay. Well, okay, can I write this as a square minus a square? 9 is 3 squared, and x to the 8th would be x to the 4th squared. So it'd be x to the 4th plus 3, x to the 4th minus 3. So it's what you're squaring plus what you're squaring, and what you're squaring minus what you're squaring. I don't know why it's so much darker today. Maybe the eclipse is out. The moon is gone. So anyways, and you can switch the minus into plus. So here's your 4 terms here. That x squared minus 16 is the first one, and then 100x to the 100 minus 8180. So go ahead. Okay, good. So what am I squaring? X, you mercy, mercy, mercy. And 16 is 4 squared. And why did I write so big? I don't know. This would be x squared plus y to the 4th squared. Now I'm going to do this, although I hate this when kids do this. I think it's sloppy, but we'll go with it. So here, this would be 6 minus x, 6 plus x. Remember, subtraction is not commutative. Then here, 10 squared is 100, but x to the 50 squared is x to the 100. So this is an easy one to mess up. Plus 9 y to the 80th. Oh, that'd be 40th. Sorry, I can't see. There we go. And 10x to the 50 minus 9y to the 40th. Okay, now we got our cube. Oh, wait a minute. Do our do's. That's right. First write it without the cubes. Do. That's what I really want you to do. Do. Square the first term, then opposite side. Hurry up now, don't fall behind. Product of the 2, then add the squares. Just wanted to make you aware. That's how you factor the cubes when you're in a smart class at school. Well, if you need the poem, First, write it without the cubes. Then, square the first term, opposite sign. Product of the two, add the square. Yeah! Okay, good. So, a lot of people think it's easier to... Did it get brighter in here? Wow, I brought it brighter. So, this would be 5 cubed, and this is x squared. So, it's first, write it without the cubes, x squared minus 5. Then square the first term, opposite sign. Product of the two. I'm out of breath. Just give me a second. Add the square. So this one, you're cubing x. 1 is cubed, so this is easy. X plus 1 times x squared minus x plus 1. What's at the Lions 1? Holy cheese in a bucket. Lions, why'd that come up? I don't know. So this would be x cubed, and this would be the y the 4th cubed. And I messed up. This should be minus. I apologize. I apologize. So it'd be x to the 6th, square the first term, opposite sign, product of the two, so it'd be x cubed y to the 4th, add the square. Hey, 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 that ain't something. Now, trinomials. Okay, if the last term's plus, we're going to do minus today. If you're actually watching this in class, that's the title of the video, says watch it in class. So you're going to x, because it's 1x squared, last term's plus, so both signs are the same as the middle, so it'd be plus plus. And the factors of 25 that add up to 10. So what do you multiply? You get 25, but when you add them, you get 10. In this case, 5 and 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 plus 5 is 10. But wait a minute, Mr. Murphy. Don't you see you got the same thing twice? Well, I do see that. So this would be x plus 5 squared. Now notice the test after Turkey week, or next Tuesday, I should say, will be radicals, imaginaries, and factoring. So, let's see what we got. X squared's x and x. Last term is plus, so both signs are the same as the middle. And what do you multiply? You get 5, but you had to get 6. How about 5 and 1? Okay, let's try it again. X squared, x and x. Last terms plus, so both are the same as middle. And 80 would be 40 and 2. Thank you. And this one, x squared is x and x. What are the factors of 24 that add up to 10? How about 6 and 4? You are so wise. Well, thank you. And both signs would be minus because the last term is plus. They're both that. And then I'll show you the other term in class. How exciting. Oh, life is good. Bye-bye.